God can lie.
Yeah.
But the Bible says God doesn't lie. God is not a man that he should lie.
Yeah, even Jesus said you are gods.
Okay, so how many gods are there then?
I don't know.
A lot of gods?
A lot of gods.
So you don't believe in one God, you believe there's a lot of
I believe
gods.
there is one God.
How can there be a lot of gods and one God? That doesn't make sense.
I don't know. It's your problem.
It's not my problem, it's your problem.
No,
I believe in one God.
No. People
Okay.
with the stones.
Okay, you want to talk about stones. In Revelation 2:23, okay, here Jesus talks about the Jezebel, the woman who does immoral acts. He said, I will kill her children. In the Bible, red line,
Okay.
words of Jesus. It's right here. It said, I will kill her children. She's put to death. In the
He
Bible.
wants to.
So you don't believe in a God that allows the stoning of the adulterer, even though in your own Bible the adulterer is stoned. You said, I don't believe in a cruel. Forget it. Now you believe in a God who does kill children and orders the stoning.
I just came from mass.
See, now you're just running.
And the priest killed a woman right there.
That's horrible.
In the church.
You shouldn't go there then.
No, I shouldn't go.
Come to the masjid.